Wish you could hear the wind here. See how dark that sky is? Scary business, people. Pretty dark. Wish you were here, Nathan. I'll probably be calling you shortly. Grief, feels like I'm at the beach. Except for all the scary trees. Scary tree number 1 right there. Don't move too much, scary tree. Oh. Puppies, y'all okay? Okay, stuff is falling now. Presley made it down to the end of the steps. Gracie's still up here with me. Faithful little pups watching out for us. Here comes the big one. I can hear stuff falling, but I don't see anything but some little limbs coming down. Yeah, probably this is the time most people go back in the house, right? I took all my plants down, all the umbrellas down. Last storm, my umbrella went over the edge and crashed. Let's look and see where the faithful pups are. Still guarding that house for me. Just like Charlotte and Charlotte's Web. Our loyal friends. Alright, Nathan, I think I'm going in the house. I'll send this to you in a minute.